clean hands. Start with a pot of water. Starting with me. This look like a lot, but it's not. Garlic, onion powder. Okay. Very important. Very important. Usually I use 8 of these, but I slacked. Dry chopped onion. And last, so we're 10 minutes in, so we're gonna add the corn because it's frozen. And then believe it or not, the crab legs are already cooked because they are pink. They need to be warmed up. I'm trying to put legs in there. I like corn. Ooh.
You better be careful with that. Jeez, you know that's still hot water, right? Hey, folks, she over here burning herself. This is like hot water steaming.
Right, boiling. And then we got the cooked crab frozen. Putting that in there. Straight in, folks.
That's all the crabs?
No.
Alright, she got the butter, folks. So I wonder what she gonna do with that butter. Also the olive oil.
Olive oil in the pan. Butter.
Wow, you see that sizzle right there? That sizzle was serious.
Sizzling.
Ooh, stay back, stay back, stay back.
Before the butter fully melts, just put it in the pan just like that. uncover for the first side for like 3 minutes, 5, max 8, depending on how you want it cooked. Ready for the flip over? That's nice right there. Then we're going to cover. Put the heat on low. And leave it for a good 3 minutes. Then while that's happening, the same 3 minutes, we're going to put these shrimp now in here. That's how you multitask right there. Let me put this up there. That's right. And it's not burn ourselves like we did earlier. And this shrimps is going to cook very fast. By the time they turn pink, they're cooked already. This is a proper crab boil. Or seafood boil. Try to get this shrimp. See, already turning pink. That's how fast they cook. Just waiting for it to come to a boil again, and it's done. The time that shrimp is done, that steak is done. We'll cover that up. Just gonna try to get this down in there. So full. So crowded. Wait, this is how I cut an onion. Cut it in half simply. Do not cut this off. You're going to have the whole house crying. Okay, cut this side. I don't know why. I just know from experience, if you cut this off too early before you cut the whole onion, you cut this off, you start cutting the onion, everybody gonna cry. You see this side? I cut this side. It's safe. Then you peel off the first layer. I leave it on. See, nobody's crying in this household. Are you crying?
Nah.
Nobody's crying. Leave it on. The type of onion is the sweet Spanish onion. It's not how it's going to be like the chef. It's not going to be chef style, Siobhan style. Cut it down. Okay, cut across. Don't keep it moving quickly. Nobody's crying. Some people wash their onions. I don't. Alright, so we got the steak going and the shrimp. So remember I said the shrimp turn pink, that means it's done. And it's over boiling. Let me turn that heat down. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So the shrimp is done. That means that the steak is done. So an important part of cooking steak is to let it rest. So we're gonna let it rest on this napkin. We're gonna let it rest on this napkin. And we got all these juices in here. Very important. Boom. Throw them onions in there. That's what we're talking about. About to make a sauce. Turn the heat back up. Let those onions get cooking in there. Always gotta do a taste test of the shrimp. Yes, I did just grab this straight out the pot with my hands. Siobhan approved.
That's salt.
Salt, pepper,
All right. This your own steak sauce?
onion. I have a whole piece of onion there. I like my onion like that, low key. Let that cook. And then we're going to add the liquid from here. Put it in there.